Add import is a code editor tool which allows to quickly add new import statements. It contains a list of all built-in libraries and list of external modules which are available as separate JavaScript files in modules folder. User can import whole package by tapping on a checkbox on the right, or they can expand package and see all available export names which can be imported separately. For external modules, before expanding it, application has to load the module file to read all export names. For example, let's expand GraphQL package. Once it's loaded, you can see the list of all export names, and we can choose whatever we want to import. Let's try and re-import everything in this file. So we need only two imports. The first is React for using JSX. Let's find React like this. So I will need to import the whole package, and then we need to get somewhere text component. I will be getting it from React Native package like this. Now we can try to run it.